This is a journey's story, a voyage through all types of standards and breakthroughs, a voyage filled with emotional peaks and valleys. And despite everything, we maintained the connection to our culture and to ourselves. We traveled through stunning sceneries and natural areas, as well as through the contemporary metropolitan areas. The Kenyan spirit persisted us through it all, passing on good times to others, learning something new in life, having a strong connection for an enduring cause, making every moment joyful, persistence that we have in the face of challenges, and those little victories that help us define who we are. Throughout the journey, I must admit that I am glad that we are all doing it the Kenyan way. I'm proud of it because that is what makes it lovely, and that is what makes it all Kenyan. Safaricom, simple, transparent, and honest for you.